I was 15 the first time I saw Gone in 60 Seconds, and ever since then I've dreamed of owning a fastback.
There she is. Yep. There's Eleanor.
I could never make that happen, so I've decided to build my own. It's sort of a Shelby tribute. I had a general idea for what I wanted to build, so I bought a small-scale model and started roughing out my ideas. After finishing the clay model, I took a lot of pictures and then imported those into a program called Mushroom, and it created a 3D model for me. I sent that file to Alex Blend, a person I know from Instagram, and a few weeks later he came back with a complete model. That's really it for this episode. Just wanted to give an introduction. And in the next episode, I'll be working on the fastback and the wing, so I'll do a detailed how-to on that.